Today we're going to feature the all-new 2020 Airstream Caravel 22FB floor plan. It is 21 foot 11 inches from the center of the ball to the back bumper of the trailer. It's 9'7" tall, giving you interior headroom of 6'7.5" inches. It's 8 foot wide and an interior width of 7'7" inches. The unloaded vehicle weight before cargo and water is 4,000 pounds. The gross vehicle weight rating is 5,000 pounds and gives you a net cargo carrying capacity of 1,000 pounds. And the hitch weight is only 525 pounds. Base MSRP is $69,900, and there's available options: a convection microwave upgrade, a solar charging system with 90-watt panel and absorbed glass mat batteries, and a window awning package for the roadside and rear. Let's head on inside and we'll check out the inside of this trailer. This is the largest of the Caravel series, and it features the largest bed. That bed is a 54-inch wide by 80-inch long bed, and this bed here is 38 by 75. So this is designed for 4 people. It could be 2 kids and 2 adults, 3 adults, or you could snug 2 adults on here if you needed to. Right when you walk in, you'll see the beautiful autumn night laminate. This is all plywood with laminate, so there's no particle border, no sticker. And you'll see there's 2 different interior decors when you look at the brochure or the website. We're in the tungsten right now, which is a satin or a matte black. This is called Ultra Fabrics Fusion, so it's our Ultra Leather series in the Fusion finish. But there's also a pewter, which will be more of a brown tone with a little bit of gold metallic. So those are your 2 choices for interior decor. So all the Caravels are going to have the autumn night, and you can see the accent. There's a white laminate on the kitchen galley area and the overhead roof lockers. Wardrobe is very spacious, and there's a shelf up top. You have a 4.3 cubic foot refrigerator here. This refrigerator runs on electricity or 12 volt. Galley has a television on an articulating arm, so you can angle it while you're sitting at the dinette. Has a 3-burner cooktop with cooktop ventilation. Comes standard with a regular microwave, but you get that optional convection microwave upgrade. Beautiful large bowl stainless steel sink with Moen faucet. Plenty of storage below with a silverware organizer here and a trash pail as well. The 54 by 80-inch bed is a pillow top memory foam mattress, and the whole bed platform lifts up to gain you access, or you can open the door here and get your bins out. So there's 4 bins total in here. And you can see the edge grain of the plywood. So if you're ever guessing what material is underneath this laminate, if you lift up the bed, you can see the edge grain of the plywood to know that this is 3/4 inch ply, and this is a 5/8 inch ply. So very high quality materials, very stable materials. You have an overhead roof locker over the bed area, and there's 4 speakers and a subwoofer on board. Over the galley area, there's a Blu-ray player and a stereo system. And then this dinette telescopically pushes down and makes into that 38 by 75 inch bed. 13,500 BTU ducted air conditioning is standard. This has electric heat strip as well. And the Forced Air propane furnace is 18,000 BTUs. Comes standard with 2 fantastic fans with rain sensors and motorized lids. We'll head towards the bathroom. This is the whole back of the trailer, so it's its own private room. So it's very close and convenient to the entry door if you're outside cooking outside, you want to run and use the bathroom. You don't have to go through the whole entire trailer. It's right here. Very thick door, very heavy door. You've got a towel bar on the back. You got a porcelain toilet here on the side. Plenty of storage next to the toilet. Below here, we got your toilet paper holder. Window that opens in the bathroom. Oceaner roller shades. Got a mirror with adjustable angles and a glass shower door. And this shower is very large. I'm 5'9", and I could fit in here. And I got these big tall boots on. But the shower has a ledge built into it so you could sit down and a removable wand.